Hello guys, today let's solve CodeForces question number 168 Pascal's triangle. So the question is pretty straightforward here. We are given an input n which represents the number of rows we have to print. In this question we can make two basic observations. So the first observation in this question is that every row consists of that many row elements. Like in the first row we have one element, in the second row we have two elements, and the third row we have three elements. And the second observation you can make is, so like the current row I element is made by the previous row I plus I minus 1 element. So if you understand these two observations, coding this question would be easier. So now let's see the code. So we are taking an input, we are creating an array. The first loop runs from 0 to n because we have to print n rows, right? And the second loop we run from I to 0. So there would be a doubt, why are we running from I to 0? Why can't I just run from 0 to I? So yeah, that's a valid doubt. Let's see why I do that. So take this as a simple example. Suppose we are in this row, our array consists of 1, 2 and 1. Now using these elements, we have to build the next row. When you get to the ith index, like 3 here, 3 is made up of I, previous row I plus I minus 1 sum. Now this is the first index. We got 3 and now we'll update our array with 3. So now our array will be 1, 3 and 1. Now when you go from the next element is made up of the previous row I and I minus 1. But the I minus 1 we already changed to 3. So now the answer here will be 4. So that row will get as 1, 3, 4, 1, which is wrong. So that's the reason we run a reverse loop, because I plus 1 element has no contribution to the solution. And yeah, this is how you solve the Pascal's triangle question. But once you make few observations, it gets pretty simple to solve. And yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow.